Hey, most business owners think AI marketing is just about using ChatGPT to write ad copies. But behind the scenes, the game has completely changed. Real business automation is moving toward independent AI agents that connect directly to your data ecosystem. Take a look at this system architect I recently deployed. It starts here on the left with the client layer, where business owner simply sends a request to a private Telegram bot. This request travels securely as an API request through traffic. Our security gateway straight into a cloud server running on Hostinger, VPS and Ubuntu. Inside a secure Docker container, we have a OpenClaw, the central AI agent framework. Now, watch how the data flows. OpenClaw doesn't just paste the answers. It constantly communicates with OpenRouter in the AI intelligence layer to tap into advanced LLMs like GPT-4o and Claude for strategic reasoning. At the same time, it sends a data request through Maton AI MCP Gateway. In our integration layer, Maton AI acts as the ultimate bridge, securely pulling campaign data, analytics data, tracking data, and email insight directly from Google Ads, GA4, GTM, and Gmail. Once the data is fetched and audited by the AI, it routes back instantly. The final audit report and recommendations go right back through the Telegram bot to the business owner. What does this mean for you? No more wasting hours scrolling through complex Google Ads dashboards. You can check your actual revenue and ad health with a simple text message 24/7. If you want to stop burning money on irrelevant clicks and set up this level of AI automation for your business, click the link or send me a message to book your free Google Ads audit with Personal Analytics today. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more advanced updates. Thank you.